Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Dr. Mopen BGO3 blood glucose monitoring system. As you can see, this is a combo pack. Along with the monitoring system, you also get blood glucose test strips. There are about 25 of them in this particular box. We will take a look at each of them. Let's take a look at this box first. There you go. So yeah, this is the combo. This is the Gluco1 blood glucose monitoring system. The model number is BGO3. So yeah, it has auto code monitor, biosensor technology, can detect really small blood volumes, which is good. You get results in 5 seconds and also holds 300 readings. Any other information? There's a sample size of 0.5 nanoliter, test time of 5 seconds, toast run results. Weight 45 grams including battery. This particular box has the glucose meter, durable plastic case, lancing device, 10 lancets, user manual and a CR2032 battery. So let's take a look at them. Okay, this is a quick reference guide. Battery installation, setting up lancing device. This is very important. Once again, I must say this is after all a medical device, and a serious medical device, one that involves punching the human skin, so you must read all the instructions very carefully. This is the owner's booklet. It has everything that you need to know in order to operate this device, so please read it. This is very important. Time to open this box. There you go. See, there it gets moved a bit. Okay, this is the glucometer. There's a sticker on top. I'm not going to remove that. This is where the battery goes in. It's empty as of now. I will put it in a while. It's very tiny, very compact, very light as well, and I fear very easy to lose. So yeah, be a little careful around this. This is a lancing device. The idea is that you insert a lancer over here, and make contact with the human skin and press to retrieve blood. I will show you what these lancers look like. So back to the box, we remove this tray. This is a tray over here, we removed it. We have these, CR2032 battery, which will go over here. And these are the lancers, lancets, there you go. These are disposable lancets, 10 of them. So all of this comes in this box, which is super convenient, I must say, because even if you lose this tray, it's fine. Just put this stuff over here and you're good to go. You can even hold these strips over here. So you can carry it around like this. That's a great touch. But let's take a look at the last box, which is this. This basically has all the test strips. The strips are what goes in over here, and that's where you add the blood to it. I'm not going to show it. I'm not going to draw my own blood right now, unfortunately. This is very well packed and sealed. I do not want to, break this particular seal. So that's it. That's all you will find inside the box containing the Dr. Mopen Gluco1 blood glucose monitoring system. Thank you for watching.